Hey you guys, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my strawberry shortcake. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So for this you only need 4 ingredients. You'll need strawberry glaze, angel food cake loaf, or you can substitute this for angel food cake. We have Cool Whip and 16 ounces of fresh strawberries. We did clean them in salt water for about 8 minutes. First thing we're going to do is drain our strawberries. So we are going to put 3 away for garnish, and the rest we're just going to start slicing. So now that our strawberries are sliced, we are going to add our strawberry glaze. And I make sure I get all that glaze. And this is about 14 ounces, so you do want to use the whole thing. I'm just going to mix this together. Make sure each strawberry is fully coated in the glaze. If this is too sweet, go ahead and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. If this is just sweet enough for you, just leave it as is. This is part 1, so let's move this to the side and do step 2. We're going to take our angel food loaf and crumble it into our mixing bowl. Now if you have the angel food cake, you would do the same thing. And this is something fun you can do with the kids. You know, it gets a little messy, but it's very creative and it's something you would probably enjoy doing. I do it this way, that way you can have a piece of the cake in every bite. You can also have a piece of strawberry in every bite, and it's just more fun. This is like a more fun way of doing your strawberry shortcake. So now we're going to take our Cool Whip and add it to our cake. We're just going to combine these two together. This is about 8 ounces. We are going to add the whole mixture. Going to layer our strawberry shortcake. First we're going to take our cake and Cool Whip mixture and just place that at the bottom. You want to make sure it's even throughout the bottom layer. So I'm not really a baker or a sweet person for that matter, but little stuff like this I can do and I enjoy eating, let alone making, and also making. Because it's quick and it's easy and it's delicious. Now we are going to add our strawberry glaze on top. Okay, so we assembled our strawberry shortcake. Now place this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Or if you're making this for a party, go ahead and do it the night before so it can be completely molded. And there you have it, a quick and easy strawberry shortcake. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.